You'll fall in love the moment you see this attractive Hickory floor plan from First Texas Homes. This 3,948 square foot, 2-story home features a brick and custom stone exterior that offers amazing curb appeal. The 5-bedroom, 3 1/2 bath Hickory floor plan opens up to a formal living and dining room that's ideal for celebrating special occasions with friends and family. Just past the dining area, you'll find a dream kitchen that is well equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including built-in stainless steel double ovens, a microwave, and flat surface stove. There is also a center island that is perfect for meal prep. Right off the kitchen, there is a spacious breakfast nook that's just right for a casual meal or dinner with the whole family. The family room features a custom floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The open layout provides plenty of space for entertaining friends or spending time with your family. The private master suite features a tray ceiling and lots of extra room for a cozy reading corner. Prepare to relax in the spa-quality master bath with custom tile and dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a relaxing garden tub. As you make your way upstairs, you'll find a game room with enough space for everyone in the family to do their own thing. The Hickory plan is also available with an optional media room with built-in wet bar. Call or visit First Texas Homes today to find out more about building the Hickory floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.